Ten. Common bronzewing. Found in Australia, the common bronzewing is one of the most beautiful pigeons in the world. There is nothing common about the appearance of this bird. It has a stunning plumage with rainbow-like colorful wings. The males and females of the species are very similar in their appearance, but the females are distinguished because of a little dull color of its plumage. These birds are very adaptable and are found in diverse habitats in Australia. 9. And dense forests. Nicobar pigeon. Ranging all across from India to Indonesia, the Nicobar pigeon is one of the most beautiful pigeons in the world. These birds are also found in Malaysia, Philippines, and Palau. It has a very colorful plumage with beautiful feathers on its elongated neck. This beautiful little bird is threatened because of the habitat destruction, but can thrive in less populated areas. This beautiful 8 is also a threatened bird species because of illegal poaching. Spinifex pigeon. Another Australian beauty is the Spinifex pigeon of the family Columbidae. This beautiful little bird is very unique in its choice of habitat. All the other pigeon species avoid dry areas like deserts and rocks, but the Spinifex pigeon prefers dry and rocky habitats. They have a rust-colored plumage with well-blended black markings all over it. This unique combination acts as an effective camouflage to hide its presence. The head is very boldly marked with these black stripes and has a thin, tall crest on it as well. This bird has some demand. 7. Despite that, its population is pretty stable. Pied imperial pigeon. Endemic to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines. The pied imperial pigeon grabs the 8th spot on the list of the most beautiful pigeons in the world. This gorgeous little bird has plain black and white plumage with a very gentle visage. Its body is primarily white in color, but the feathers are black. The beauty of the contrast between the two colors is not noticeable on the first look, but can be seen at its peak during the flight. It has dark, beautiful eyes that make its white body and head look even larger and amplifies its 6. Victoria crowned pigeon. Ranging from the southern parts of Indonesia to Papua New Guinea, the Victoria crowned pigeon is one of the most beautiful pigeon species in the world. It has a jewel-toned plumage with very distinct burgundy-colored breasts. Despite its other amazing features, the most unique of them is its wide crest, having multiple feathers on top and each having a white tip. Its red eye along with the black mask give the bird its elegant look. Victoria, the bird certainly has some royal significance. Crested pigeon. One of the most diverse colored birds in the world, the beautiful crested pigeon has some black marking on its gray shoulders. Its plumage is primarily gray with tinges of brown. The secondary feathers and the tail are dark in color. This multiple colored plumage acts as a very ideal camouflage for a range of habitats. Its crest is very tall as compared to its size. They are mainly found in the grasslands. 4. Speckled pigeon. Also known as the African rock dove, the speckled pigeon grabs the 3rd spot on the list. It is one of the most beautiful bird species in the world and is found in the sub-Saharan regions of Africa. It's endemic to the rocky and scrubby areas of the region and is very widespread in both the urban and suburban regions. It has a rust-colored plumage with white marking all over it. It has elongated neck feathers with distinctive texture that make its appearance unique. It has a wide red patch around its yellow eye, which makes 3. Appearance. Orange-breasted green pigeon. Endemic to the tropical forests of Pakistan, India, to South Indonesia. The orange-breasted green pigeon is one of the most beautiful pigeon species on the planet. It likes to live in the places with abundant fruit supplies. The plumage has very soft colors including yellow, green, gray, pink, and orange. These colors blend together very beautifully and provide the orange-breasted green pigeon with its gorgeous look. Despite the beauty of this unique bird, the 2, a low number due to continuous habitat loss. Mindanao bleeding heart. Found in the forests of South Philippines, the most beautiful pigeon on the list is the Mindanao bleeding heart. This beautiful little bird has a very attractive jewel-toned plumage, which is very different from the other species of its like. The name comes from the blood-colored breast path on the skin that is very distinct and clearly defined. Its neck glitters like a green emerald in the bright sunlight and makes it even more gorgeous. But despite its unmatchable beauty, this bird has now become vulnerable because of continuous habitat loss due to illegal poaching. 1. Help us save these birds by sharing our videos for awareness. Rock pigeon. One of the most commonly found pigeon species in the world is also one of the most beautiful ones. The rock pigeon is found worldwide and is among the most abundant bird species in the world. It has a blue-gray plumage with an iridescent neck and dark wing bars that are the reason for its very unique appearance. Their usual coloration change with respect to their areas. These colorations include white, brown, red, and a lot of others. They are native to the rocky cliffs of Europe to all over the Middle East and are considered to be invasive in many areas. Thanks for watching.